Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through Cambridge IGCSE paper 1-3. So the first question that we have here, write the number, this number in words. So if you see, this is the position of ones, tens, hundred, then this is of thousands, and this is of the million. So we have 70 million. This is 70 million. 70 millions, right? Now part B, write down the value of 5 in the number 0.25. So 0.25, we are looking for the value of 5. So value of 5 is here 5, then this is the hundredths place, this is tenths place, and this is hundredths place. So 5 over 100. So we can write 5 over 100, or you can also write in the simplest form 1 over 20, dividing both numerator and denominator by 5. Now find the reciprocal of 0.25. So 0.25 can be written as, if we write here, it will be 25 over 100 if you remove the decimal. So the reciprocal is going to be 100 over 25. So 25 times 4, it is 100. So we got 4 as a final answer, right? Now number 2, write down the mathematical name of the angle between 90 and 180. So 90 and 180 angle is like this. This angle is going to be 90 here, and 180 is this one, and our angle is here, right? So if you see, we have the angle from here to here, which is obtuse angle. So this is an obtuse angle, right? Now write down the mathematical term that describes two polygons that are the same shape and size. So if we have the same shape and same size, these kind of diagrams are called, shapes are called congruent. Sorry, spelling mistake. Congruent shapes, right? Now let's see what is the next question. We have, write down square root 169. So 169 can be written as 13 times 13, and when you take out of this, so this will be 13. Remember that this is non-calculator paper, and you have to do all the calculation on your own, because you will not be having calculator there, right? Work out the value of 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means we are multiplying 2 4 times. So 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2, it is 16. So 16. So now next we have here 10 raised to power -2. So if I can write, we have here, you see, now it is a power minus n, rules of exponent. So whenever power is in negative, we can write it down like a power m in the denominator with the positive exponent. So 10 raised to power -2 is going to be 1 over 10 power 2. So 10 times 10, it is 100. So 1 over 100, right? Now work out -18 divided by -4, right? So this negative and negative sign gets cancelled, and we can simplify. We can divide both by 2 here, by 2 here. We got 9 over 2. So 9 over 2, or you can also divide it, it will become 4.5, or you can write 4.5. Now we have 1.6 times 2, 0.02. So I will just multiply directly as a 16 times 2. 16 times 2 is 32, right? Now we will continue counting the decimal places. So we have 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places here, 3rd here. So 1 2, to make it 3 we will put 1 0 here. So this is going to be 0.032. Okay. Now number 4, the diagram shows a quadrilateral with the sides of equal length. So we have this quadrilateral having all the sides equal. Write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral. Now we also have a quadrilateral like this, which has same sides and one angle, all the angles are 90. So this is called a square. Now the angle is given a and 2, it's not 90 degree actually, so its name is a rhombus. Such kind of shape is called a rhombus. Now work out the value of a. Now a and 2a, they are co-interior angles. They are co-interior angles. This angle from here to here, they make a C shape, right? So then sum of these angles is 180. So a plus 2a is 180 because they are co-interior angles. So this is 3a equals to 180, divide by 3, divide by 3. So a is 60. Number 5, find the next term in each sequence. As you see, the sequence is increasing, so we will see the difference here. So when you add here 4, here we add 5, add 6, add 7. So common difference is not same. Then the next one is going to be 8. So 23 plus 8 is 31. So this is going to be 31. 1 2 4. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. No, it doesn't work. So if I multiply 1 times 2 2, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16, and then 16 times 2 it is 32. Now number 6, there are lengths of times in minutes of 7 phone calls. So here are the lengths of minutes in lengths of time in minutes of the 7 phone calls. Find the median. So for median, first of all we have to rearrange them into increasing order, increasing or decreasing. We have 5 7 8, then we have 10 22 35, then we have 75. So we are going to find out the middle value for the median. So if we strike up here this second last, third last, so we are left with 10 here. So it is 10 minutes. Now find the range. Now you know the range is maximum value minus minimum value. That is by definition the range is. So maximum value here is 75 minus 5. So it is 70. Okay. Now the longest phone call is 75 minutes. Write 75 minutes in hour. So to convert them into hours, so there are 60 minutes an hour. So this can be 16, then plus 75 minus 16, it is 15. So it's 15. So 60 became 1 hour, right? And to make this 1 hour, we will divide this by 15 over 60. So this is going to be 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 or 1.25 hours. Number 7, 70 students study French, Spanish. 70 students study one of French, Spanish and German. The ratio number who study, okay, the ratio of number who study French and number who study Spanish is 3 to 4. 15 students study French. Find the number of students who study German. So we will start with the ratio we are given a ratio of French and Spanish, right? French ratio Spanish. So French we have 3 and Spanish we have 7, right? So if I take, this is the ratio, right? So we can have the multiple of this. If it's 3x, number of students who study French, then 7x studies Spanish, and we are given that French is 15. So number of student of those who study French is 15. So I can put 15 here, then we will find out what is this one. Here we cannot put x because we have taken x up there. So I'll just put here those who study Spanish. Okay. So then this question that we are looking for is going to be, when you cross multiply, this is going to be 3x times this, sorry, this should go down actually. Seven x times 15 over 3 x, and x is gone, 3 times 5, it is 35. So now this is the total number is 35, and the question is find the number of students who study German. So we can find out here, like we have here those who study French is 15, those who study Spanish we have taken it 35, and we will search who study German. So German is, the total is, there are 70 students, so it is going to be 70 minus 15 plus 35, so this is 20. So those who study German is 20. Now number 8, we have a diagram here. The diagram shows two faces of net of the cuboid on 1 centimeter square grid. So complete the statement. The dimensions of cuboid are, so we need to know the length, width and height. So here you see that we have 3, this is 3 by 3, right? This one is 1 2 3 4 5, so 3 by 5. Okay, so we need to have the same faces on the other side. So if this is 3 by 5, so this is going to cover by this thing, so we should have 3 over here both side, right? So it is again, it's going to come 3 by 5, 3 by 5, then here, wait, this is 3, so this is 3 by 3, so then there should come here also 3. I think this is 3 is coming twice here, 3 by 5, again here we need to cover this, the other side here, this and this should be same. Okay, now 1 is left, 1 we can put it up here, 3 by 5. So if you see, we have the dimension as by 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. On the grid, complete the net of the cuboid. So net of the cuboid we can, we have already drawn this one. Now work out the volume of the cuboid. So volume is always length times width times height. So it is 3 times 3 times 5. 5 times 9, it is 45, right? Now number 8, the diagram shows the net of square based pyramid. The perpendicular height of each triangle is 4, so this is 4 here, the base side is 5, so this is 5. Calculate the surface area of the pyramid. So the surface area of the pyramid, you see there are triangles, 4 triangles there, and there is 1 square. So the surface area is going to be area of this square, area, oh sorry, area of square, this square, I don't know what's happening. And then the area of the triangles. Okay, so let me just write it down. Area of the pyramid is going to be area of square plus 4 times area of triangle, right? So area of square is length times width, I mean L square, because length and width is same, and half, triangle is half times base times height. So length of square is 5 squared, then plus we have half, sorry, we need to multiply this by 4. So half times base, base is we are given base as 5 and height is 4, right, times 4 this out. So this is 25 plus this is 2 times 2, 5 times 2 10, 10 times 2 is 40. So this is 65. So 65 square. Write down the number of edges of the square based pyramid. Number of edges. So we edges are like the the edges where they all these surfaces meet. So actually this is going to be like this. Let me just draw a rough diagram. This is going to be like this. Like this, right? So now we will count the edges. So edges are going to be here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All these are the edges. Okay. Now number 10, we have a question here. Now a line A has equation 3x plus 1, line B has equation 3x minus 1. Draw a ring around the description that is correct. So this is the line of the form y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So line A intersect line B. We don't know it intersects or not. Then line A has steeper gradient than line B. So if you observe, the gradient is 3 here. So gradient is equal. So when gradient is equal, then lines are parallel. So I can see one diagram, one statement here which matches that line A is parallel to line B. So line A is perpendicular. No, this is not perpendicular. Line A and B intersect at y-axis and at the same point. We don't know about this, but the only thing that we observe from here is the this line A is parallel to line B. Now this is the question on the grid. Draw the graph of y equals to 2x minus 1. So when x is 0, what will be y? Y is going to be 2 into 0 minus 1, that is negative 1. So x is point is 0 1, and when y is 0, what will happen? This is 0 equals to 2x minus 1. So from here x is going to be 2x, wait, so 2x will be 1 and x is going to be 1 over 2, that is 0.5. So x 0, y negative 1, x 0, y negative 1 is a point here, and then x y is x 0.5, y is 0, x 0.5, x 0.5 is here. So just draw a line that joins these lines. Use your ruler. My line may not pass through the points that exactly it should be because I don't have ruler here. Like this. Okay. Now next, question 10. Joe asks 90 people whether they prefer pop, rock, classic, jazz or folk music. The pie chart shows some of the results. If you see, we have here pop and rock music. Angles are given. Work out the number of people who prefer the pop music. So pop music, we have the angle is 120. Angle is 120 and this angle is out of 360, and we are given that how many people? They are 90 people. So out of 90 will be times 90. 12 times 3, then this is 30. So final answer is 30. The sector angle for classical is 80. Draw this sector on the pie chart. So we have this angle 80. So just place your protractor on this line, then you draw an angle of 80. So from here to here this is going to be 80 degrees, which is, what was this, classical. So this is classical, right? One more question, then we will see the next. 9 people prefer jazz, and the rest prefer folk. Work out the size of sector angle for jazz. So for jazz, there are 9 out of how many? 90. So times 360. This 0 0 gone, this is gone. So angle is 36. So this is 36 degree. Complete the pie chart. So we will make angle on. Now we will take this line from here, then you draw an angle of 36 here. So we will have angle 36. This is 36. This is going to be jazz, and the remaining is going to be folk. Right. Now number 12, a music group has 30 members. 7 members play flute and play clarinet. 12 members play flute. One member does not play a flute and does not play a clarinet. So one is nowhere, so that means one will go outside. 12 members play flute, so 12 play flute, and 7 member, okay, the total is 7. So 7 members play, okay, sorry, 7 members play flute and play clarinet, so 7 will come over here, right? 12 members play flute. So to make this 12 flute, the 7 plus 5, it will be 12 here. Then the clarinet we given, okay, so we will take it. So total was 30. There are 30. 7 plus 15, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 1 13, so minus 13. So this is 17. So we will have 17. Find the number of NC number of those who play clarinet. So we are going to add both of them. 7 plus 17 which is 24. Now number 13, by writing each number to in the calculation to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value of this. So to one significant figure, this is going to become 60, and this will be 10 times 0.5. So we just calculate, this is 6 times, this will be 10 over 5, 5 times 2 10, 6 times 2 12, right? So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you understood all the questions. Kindly take some time to give me feedback so that I can improve from the next videos, and let me know in the comment section which next paper you want me to do. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.